What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to install and use and give the first steps into the File Manager WordPress plugin. This is the top used WordPress plugin with that much of active installs. It's recently updated and it's the biggest File Manager WordPress plugin. But first of all, why you should use this plugin? Because in the case that you want to access your file manager directly into your WordPress dashboard, let's imagine that you have a plugin or a video that is too big to use and you need to have this plugin to upload it directly into your file manager. So no need to change the max upload file size or other things like this. For example, you also can delete and customize files. Go to your WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new and type File Manager. Install this first one by 287 user. Yes, that's the name. It's the most used plugin and the most supported one. We're gonna start the installation process. After this install process, we're gonna click on Activate, this blue button. After the plugin active, you can see you're gonna be directed to the plugins list page, where you can find options to buy the Pro version, donate, or deactivate the plugin to delete it. No needs to buy the Pro version yet, just across to your user, but the free version already can do it. You have noticed that there's a new icon into our WordPress dashboard called File Manager with this yellow file icon. As soon as you click on it, you're gonna be directed to your host root file. This is all the folders on your website server. So in the case that you want to locate your themes, go to WP Content, Themes, and here's the theme. You can delete a theme from this page. You can upload a bigger theme that you cannot upload into the default way. For example, premium, two big themes that they give you the zip file. You have some themes into some layouts, some different layouts that it's called change theme here, that can change the view and just the view for this plugin. I do like the dark theme. You can change the language. You have a couple of languages to play with. You can also upload videos, images, download some file from your host, like for example, the htaccess, edit it, and upload it, the edited version, all directly on your WordPress dashboard. This, it's one page that shows the premium and pro versions of this plugin, where you can edit who can access this plugin, some editor options, some custom codes options. No needs for it for most of the users, but if you really enjoy the plugin, you can buy the Pro version. But in my normal usage, I see no needs for it yet. But it's good, it's packaged with a lot of features. Of course, there's no free launch, so no needs. But you may need some time and need to purchase it. There's the system properties. We have the file manager shortcode, the logs, for example, what user did delete something or uploaded something, and the backup and restore. You can have a fully backup of your base data, all your files, using this plugin as well. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with full compatibility to this plugin and many others. And I see you later. All the best!